Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. So today we are going to find out how to calculate the difference between two dates. Okay, with the help of Excel functions. So with to calculate the difference between two dates, we have to use the date functions. So today we are going to see some date functions through which we are going to find out the difference between two dates. So basic data is given over there. So child date of birth is given, that is the 1st Jan 2022, and today's date is also given, that is 25th of May 2023. So two dates are given, so that's why we are going to find out the difference between two dates. So first formula of date function is days. So it will return the number of days in between two dates. So if the two dates are given, so the difference between these two dates are written in days format only. Okay, consider that the date difference is 1 year, but with the if you are going to apply the days function, it will return the 365 or 366 days. Okay, so the syntax of the days formula is given here. Days in bracket end date means the current or the latest date, comma start date means the old date. Here the date of birth of the child is there, so his life starts over there. So start date, we are going to mention the date of birth of a child. So let's see the formula over here is equal to days function into the bracket. We are going to mention the cell reference of end date, that is the end date means current date, that is the today's date or the latest date, that is 25th of May 2023, comma the start date or the old date. Okay, that is the 1st Jan 2022. So the bracket is complete, the formula is complete over here, syntax is fulfilled. Now I am going to press the enter. So the difference between above two dates are 509 days, means 509 days. Okay, so I hope you have understand this days function. The next formula is date different function. Okay, so with the help of date diff function, we can find out the difference between two dates in the form of days, in the form of months, and in the form of years. We can calculate the date difference in these three forms with the help of date difference function. So this is the usage of date difference function. Let's see the syntax. Syntax of the date diff function is date diff into the bracket old date. Okay, old date means the old date, comma latest date, the current date, or the whatever maybe the current date is there, comma unit. Unit means in which you want to return the difference between two dates. Either it may be days, it may be months, or it may be years. Okay, you have to be mention it in the formula. So let's see the formula. So first we are going to find out the difference between two days, dates in days. So I'm going to mention here is equal to date diff, okay, into the bracket the old date. The old date means the old date is here is the 1st Jan 2022, comma the latest date, that is the current date. Okay, comma I want the date difference in days format. So I have to be given mention that unit in double quotes, and in single. For days is D, for months it's M, and for year it's Y. Okay, so I am going to press the enter. It should be 509. Okay, so 509 is written over here. Now same formula I am applying for the months is equal to date diff into the bracket. I have to mention the old date, okay, comma the current date or the latest date, comma, and the unit is month. Okay, for month I'm mentioning the M in double quotes. Okay, I'm going to press the enter. So it's a 16-month difference is there. After that The year difference we are going to find out. Date diff into the bracket old date, comma, latest date, comma, the date difference we want in years, so that's why we are going to mention in double quotes y. Okay, so initials you have to be mentioned into the formula, then I'm going to press enter. So date difference is 1 year. Okay, so we have see the date difference formula over here, which will return the date difference in days as well as in months as well as in years as well. Okay, so these are the two formulas, and the third one is that simple. Okay, we have to differentiate between the current date minus the old date. Okay, or the latest date minus old date. So here we have seen that latest date is 25th of May 2023 and the old date is 1st Jan 2022. Okay, so here just we are going to mentioning the cell references of dates is equal to first is the latest date, this is the latest date minus the old date, that is the 1st Jan 2022. Okay, I'm going to press the enter. The date difference should be in days. Okay, so again it will return the date difference between the days, that is 509. Okay, I hope you have understand all these simple three formulas or three functions in Excel. If you have any queries or if you want more formulas from my side, please mention in comment and comment section. So please like my video, share my video, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.